Good evening, everyone. Today we are discussing about government job and business, which is better.
What do you think about business? I am in favor with business.
Yes, I am also. In government job, we have to
Do hard work.
do hard work. We have to study
more.
But in business, we don't have to study. We can only put one child and then the gas. And we can make chai.
We can do anything.
We can sell.
In business, we can do anything.
I think I'm not appreciate your statement because both in government job and business, both wants hard work.
Hard work, yes.
No
Right.
chai come without any
It's right.
hard work. But in government job, someone's life secure for at least 60 years.
Yes, it's
And
right.
someone for like
Yes.
because
That is secure job. Who wants security in their life? They choose government job. Who doesn't want face any situations like that? We have don't money. What we do now? They want a government job because there is a secure. There is a monthly income they get from the government job. So it is better for them and who want risks in their life, who want adventures, who want to do adventure in their life, they choose business.
But in government job, security also present, but also challenges, more challenges or pressures also presented in the government job.
No,
Because of
I
that,
don't think like that because in government job your work is same as like up to retirement. There is no change in your work
Same
and
work
time is
all day.
also 10 to 6 or 10 to 5. There is the same timing and sometimes people are getting bored from this government job after some time.
Because online you work in same work.
Same routine, daily routine happens with them and they're getting bored.
But
In business, we can change anything. We can do anything in business.
You start the business and after you change the mind, you shift into another business and do other activity.
but now the new generations, the government job is a license for wedding.
Yes.
To arrange
That's
wedding.
right. Because of our society's mentality, our parents are gone from this secured life. So they also want their child also want secure life. So that is our society's mentality in our society. But not like म्हणजे सगळ्यांनाच हे वाटतं असं नाही.
But you want luxurious life, you choose the business. In government job, you don't live a luxurious life without you giving money under the table.
But suppose some students have not proper money and they experience some bad situations in society.
Yes.
So I think government job is good for
them. Yes.
because
They increase their
in society.
self confidence because of that, right?
And it also grow as power level and economic level because of government job.
In government job also we have to give time for study, for preparation for that. Both are all take times. But business is like that. There is no limitation. There is no age limitation to do business. At 16 or at 60, we can start from anywhere, at any age. But in government job, the limitations, age limitations are there, 33, 34, 35. And up to there, we can always worry about who are not getting job up to 35 or up to their age limit. They are worried about and they sometimes they gone through depression also.
I think everyone's perspective, the government job is good, and someone's perspective, the business is good. And I think both want hard work and smartness in business or government job.
Do you fear to get engaged in conversations? Afraid of stage? Due to this, losing big career opportunities? Then we are here for you. Oxbridge Spoken English Academy. Feel the fluent speaking, basic grammar, spoken English, stage courage, personality development. Then hurry up. What are you waiting for? Oxbridge, your search for spoken English training ends here.